How to download and install Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly download and install Pinterest on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Pinterest on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices as well. So first, what you need to do is head over to the Play Store. Then tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and then do a search for Pinterest. Tap on the app in the search results, then tap on install. Enter in any passwords or user IDs that it requests of you, and then the app will then be downloaded and installed on your device. This process may take up to a couple of minutes. Once the installation process is finished, tap on the open button to open up the app. And that's all it takes to download and install the Pinterest app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.